Hello, Crazy Food Lady here, and today we are making chunky bean and vegetable soup. This recipe comes from the Soup Bible, which is really awesome cookbook. I've got my celery, leeks, and carrots all cut up in here. There's olive oil and a little bit of butter because I think the butter makes it taste better. And I'm going to prepare a few other things so that once the vegetables are ready, I can just dump stuff in. Here are my vegetable clippings, my leek clippings. They need to go into my soup stock bag into the freezer for the next time I make soup stock. Alright, they're getting a little soft. Time to add the tomatoes and the soup stock. I'm using homemade soup stock, which tastes a lot stronger than store-bought soup stock. So instead of a quart, I'm going to use pint plus water to make it a quart. And since I'm making a double batch, because always make double batches of soup, more stock. Bring this up to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer for 15 minutes before I add the beans.
Is the soup ready?
Almost.
Is the soup soup?
The soup is soup.
Oh yeah, it's a soup that's good with Parmesan.
It is a soup that's good with Parmesan. Pesto. Of course, you can use your own homemade pesto. He is kind of sus.
Oh!
I get to use my new spoon. So normally we'll use cannellini beans or great northern beans, but we used, it's the pandemic, we used whatever was available. Oops, too much. Haha, there's no such thing. And it does make a difference if you add the pesto or not. We tried it once without the pesto because I accidentally forgot to put it in. It was not nearly as tasty. It really makes a difference. So we're just gonna cook this until everything's fully heated now that we've added those beans in. Add a little pepper. And people can salt to taste if they like. I often don't put salt in a lot of things because we have a tendency to oversalt things. If you salt it too early, the salt flavor gets absorbed by something else, so you can't tell that it's there. It's especially true if you've got potatoes. And we're trying to have a healthy level of sodium in our diet. We have someone with potential kidney issues, so that matters. So we're just going to heat that till it's fully heated. Then we're going to eat it with some bread. Thanks for watching. It's super easy, super tasty, and you should super have some.